In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store locator to your Wix website in 20.5, taking you through each step in a straightforward and easy to follow manner. Let's dive right in together and get your store locator up and running, effortlessly guiding your customers to your physical locations. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website editor. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Wix account to access your website's editor. Once you're in, you'll find yourself looking at your website's dashboards, which is the hub for all your website customization needs. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself if it's been a while since you last visited this space. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen, and you'll notice a button labeled Apps. This is your gateway to adding new features to your site, including that much needed store locator. Go ahead and click on Apps, and you'll be forwarded to the App Market, a treasure trove of tools and functionalities designed to enhance your website. Within the App Market, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in Store Locator. It's a plain and straightforward name, making it easy to find among the plethora of other options. Upon hitting enter, you'll be presented with several options. The key here is to choose a store locator that's easy, customizable, and can help boost site traffic. A combination like this ensures that it's not only simple to implement, but that it will also work seamlessly with your website while providing value to your customers. Once you have chosen the right store locator app, look for a button that says Add to Site. Clicking this initiates the process to integrate this feature into your website. Follow the prompts to continue. Each step is designed to be user-friendly and secure, making sure the app adheres to all necessary site protocols. The last step, once you've chosen the right app and clicked Add to Site, will involve agreeing to any terms and conditions that come with the application. This is an essential step, ensuring that you're on board with any usage policies or privacy measures the app developer puts forth. Click Add and Agree to finalize everything, allowing the app to integrate fully into your site. Now, with these steps completed, your website has a functioning store locator, ready to guide your customers to your physical locations with ease. Whether you're running a chain of stores or a single outlet, having this feature can significantly enhance user experience, making it easier for your clients to find you in the real world. Just remember, keeping everything updated on your store locator ensures accuracy and builds trust with your audience. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your newly enhanced Wix website.